This is Artifacts of Mars. I thought I'd do something a little fun this time. The story is, from the International Business Times, and other places too, humans learn to talk by copying birds and monkeys. Linguists claim. Are they out of their minds? Humans learned to talk to one another by copying birds and other primates sometime in the last 100,000 years, experts have said. Right, we were just dumb humans sitting around saying nothing before we listened to the birds and the monkeys. Linguists from MIT suggest that human communication could have evolved from older systems used by birds and primates. Previous research that humans derive the melodic part of language from birds. However, the authors also say we evolved our pragmatic content carrying part of speech from other primates. Need I go on? This is so kooky. This is so kooky. You gotta laugh, people. Sometimes you just gotta laugh at these idiots. Well, excuse me. Do birds have a word for car? Do they have a word for house? Do they have a word for... I'm not going to go through the whole dictionary. This is so blasted absurd that it's just funny. Monkeys and birds do have a little language of their own. I'm sure they do communicate to an extent. But if we copied them, then why don't we talk like them? I mean, why don't we talk like a macaque or something? Or it's just so silly. How come no humans speak monkey? Let's put it that way. I don't know. I don't know of any humans that speak monkey. Whatever monkey language it is. I think these people just have way too much time on their hands, and they're spending a lot of the time that they do just monkeying around. That's what I'm thinking. Is there anybody here who understands a word of what your average Robin is saying? Come on, people. These people are mentally disordered, and this is proof. The idea that we learned to talk from a monkey or a bird is absurd. Alright? There's no comparison between their language and ours. You just gotta laugh at these people. They're crazy. And they ought to be put into mental hospitals. Unfortunately, as long as you're not a real danger to somebody, you can't really be put into a mental hospital. They might be a danger to themselves, I don't know. This is unbelievable. Does a monkey have a name for a skyscraper? I think not. Do they have a name for bow and arrow? I think not. These animals are intelligent, but they're not. It's not the same as with us. We identify objects, we identify emotions, we identify all sorts of different concepts. Animals have emotions. They don't have words for cars, boats, trees. No one's ever demonstrated that. And there isn't a human on the face of the planet, as far as I know, that can speak monkey. This is just absurd. You just gotta laugh at these people. These are a bunch of kooky, whacked out liberals who they just don't. They got too much time on their hands, is what it amounts to. They're really, really reaching this time. They're trying to explain our language in terms of critters. So they can say the critters are better than us, and we learn from them, and oh, come on. Them artifacts from Mars. Lighten up, have a good day.